No fighting or beating up your photographer or your wedding planner or any of the cousins or relatives on your wedding day. We know you are the boss, but beating up people will not help. Your photographer is about to go mental because he's done some 3,000 reels for you, but not every move of yours will go viral. Doing push ups in the middle of the mandap is not going to make you go viral. No fighting with your hair and makeup people, please. They did a trial for you earlier and they are doing the same look for you, and it cannot be changed at the last minute just because you read the latest edition of Vogue. Taurian bride, lazy bride. No, sorry, Taurian bride. Food and drink cannot be the only reason people get married. Two caterers have already quit. You're the bride and not a food blogger today. Try and dance a little bit to shed off the extra calories. We know that you don't like to be rushed, but your photographer has been waiting for you for the last 2 hours. खाना खाना टोरियन खाना मेरा भेजा नहीं खाना सबका भेजा खाना लेकिन खाना खाना टोरियन खाना खाना टोरियन टोरियन खाना. Gemini bride, your wedding planner has discussed the blue theme with you. Don't be surprised if she's actually doing the blue theme, because it cannot be changed into the quirky floral theme just because the theme has changed in your mind. Your wedding planner will have a fit and will quit. Your confusion is going to drive everybody up the wall, and they will not be able to travel to the exotic wedding destination that you have in mind if they are stuck up on the wall. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, blue, green, yellow. We are not magicians. We cannot read your mind, and do not be changing every second. Cancerian bride, please do not cry today. No crying at all in any of the functions. Only at the bidai, that also only 5 minutes of the crying is permitted. And the world is just not your 4 friends only. There are other people who have come to wish you at the wedding. Please take out some time and go and meet them. Don't sulk when you're asked to come for the photo shoot. The photographer has been waiting. And remember, you are the one who has planned it. And what's up with your mood swings, girl? Everyone is getting fed up of your emotions. Not everything has to be so difficult. Please keep calm. Aaj ke din, no rona thona. Leo bride, the limelight is on you, only you and you alone. If possible, share some with the groom, but the whole world knows that this is your wedding and only your wedding. Your photographer is trying to talk to you. At least hear him out. If you're so stubborn and inflexible with your wedding planner, your photographer, your makeup artist, your caterer, God bless your husband. आज का दिन आपका दिन है और हम सबको मालूम है. Virgo bride, we all know you're a control freak, but your idea of perfection is a headache for the wedding planner who is already gone half mad and needs a 3-month spa after the wedding. Cut others some slack and stop being judgmental about everybody having fun at your wedding. Why did you hire a wedding planner and a photographer if you think you can do everything better? Your right side is not better than your left side or your center side. You look the same from every side. Extra critical और judgmental please मत होना, सब लोग wedding छोड़ के भाग जाएंगे. Nya, 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 Libra bride, Libra bride, Libra bride, Libra bride. Why can't you ever make a decision? Always being confused or trying to balance out 2 options is going to land you up in a khichdi of options. That is not cool, especially on the wedding day. Please take the call and fast. Learn to say no or yes, not both. After planning your wedding for 5 months, what will you do now? Are you going to hound your photographer to deliver some images before your bidai is done? Scorpio bride, Scorpio bride. Scorpio, why? Because we are scarred by your strange emotional energy. We all know you want to be mysteriously private and undiscovered, and you wanted a dark themed wedding, but we can't do all of that. It'll feel like Halloween. From a homely wedding to a big bridal entry, try not to go too ballistic too soon. Also, stop being lazy and please get ready on time, otherwise your groom will be waiting alone at the Varmala. आज के दिन कोई emotional energy का अत्याचार नहीं करना. Everything cannot be so spontaneous. मतलब एक dance, dancing on the table cannot be the wedding. Alcohol is not the wedding. There are some rituals, please. Give the wedding planner some time to finish what he started, because if you keep checking on him every 20 seconds, he's going to run away before your bridal entry. We know you hate routine, but this is your wedding. Wedding होते हैं फेरे, 7 फेरे होते हैं. उसका 2, 3, 4 या 10 नहीं कर सकते. आज के दिन रूल ब्रेक नहीं कर सकते. Please follow rules today. This is your wedding Capricorn bride. This is not a corporate event. You are not supposed to do any PowerPoints or Excel sheets today. We know you are happiest when you are in charge and you are running the show, but today is your wedding. Please, you have hired your wedding planner, your photographer, your makeup artist. You've paid them money. No, have you paid them money? Conjuice Capricorn. Humble request from your photographers. Please shed a tear or 2. We'll get some great emotional shots which are greatly missing at your wedding. आज के दिन बोरिंग नहीं बनना. आज के दिन एंजॉय करना है. Excel sheet को, लैपटॉप को दूर रखना. Aquarius bride. Weird cannot be defined as unique. I know you want your photographer to do something unique for your wedding, but it does not help if you're being so unpredictable about your choices. Please take out some time, get your family together, because your wedding album cannot have only your friends. Also, just a suggestion, it would be a good idea to have the groom in some of the shots. Wedding से तो कुछ भी करोगे क्या? Unique के नाम पे. It's not cool. It's weird. Piscean. Make sure you have a picture of your groom in your pocket or your dress or somewhere with your person who's next to you, because you need to know that you're here for the wedding. Do not be daydreaming. Do not be lost in your zone. It is important that you're present at all times, at all functions, at all rituals, physically and mentally. And have you remembered to take the wedding outfit from your designer? भूल तो नहीं है? Checking. चलो, ready, start. मेरी चाय कहाँ है? स्पॉट बॉय? वेडिंग करने का यार, कुछ वेट नहीं क्या करने का ऐसे. मतलब ये इतना लोगों को आइडेंटिफाई होगा ना, जिसको समझ में आता है. मेरी खुद की सिस्टर एक्वेरियन ऐसी है. टायर्ड हो रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस थिंग. ओके फाइन, कम ऑन. जेमिनाई 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 जेमिनाई. 2 3 4 5 लोग एक में ही आ गए. कैंसेरियन क्राई बेबी. सैजिटेरियस सैजिटेरियस. नाच गाना गाना नाच. हर जगह डांस नहीं करने लग जाना. मेरी शादी मेरा खाना, सबसे टेस्टी खाना, मुझे नहीं जाना. आप कौन कैप्रिकॉर्न, बोरिंग कौन, वर्गो, दिमाग खा लिया है मेरा. एंड वियर्ड इज नॉट कूल, बियर्ड इज कूल. नहीं हो जाएगी, चाय से पहले ही हो जाएगा. चाय बोल दो.